Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today let's discuss on what is endowment. So in general English itself, endowment means like donating funds. So donating funds to non-profit organizations like school, college, or any charity, any trust. So basically endowment means donating funds to non-profit organizations. Okay, so what is the use of this endowment? Say there are like donors who wish to help these non-profit organizations like trust and other charity organizations. So their invested or donated amount is going to be further put up into various investments. So these investments can be like varying from equities, stocks, bonds, anything. So actually they are donating the funds to this non-profit organizations. So these organizations further invest that money into equity bonds and other financial instruments, okay, and other investment options, and they generate a revenue. So they generate a revenue. This revenue they use it for their purpose. Say if it is kind of old age charity, or if the trust is like supporting school or college students who are like good in studies but they are not able to afford for higher studies or something like that, they will fund them using this revenue or income which is generated from this endowment fund. Using this endowment fund, whatever they have generated as an income, this money they use it for that. Sometimes in where to invest or where to help, whom to help, this and all is discussed along with the donors, or else it is taken care by the NPOs itself. So it is purely based upon how the rules is set with that particular non-profit organization. If the donors are allowed as per the policy to tell their wish, they are able to involve into such decisions. Say for example, few will be interested to know where the actual money is going. So they wish to invest in those kind of endowment funds. Whereas few are like just like that, they donate and they just move on. So for them it is like the NPOs itself will be having an option to decide that. So basically the endowment money, which is going to be the capital for the NPOs, that will mostly be untouched. They won't be used. Only whatever the income has been acquired by investing this capital money in other investment options, that amount is only utilized for enhancing or the functioning of the trust, charity and other financial institutions. So whatever be the NPO here. And whenever, so what see like not all the NPOs are always just like that holding money. They also agree to pay a kind of interest back to the donors. So if we are going to take an endowment policy, whatever the amount you are going to put it into the NPO, based upon that you will be earning an interest, so which is going to be kind of income for you, and mostly it will be on an annual basis. But still, whatever the amount you have invested in the NPO. See, there are two investments. The primary investment is from the donor to the NPO, which is called the endowment. So that is our money. And that NPO further invest into other investments. So that is the second investment from where they actually make more money. So from that more money they utilize for their own purpose for which the charity or trust is functioning. That purpose is done completely, and also we are also paid the interest for whatever the money we have given for them as a kind of help or as a kind of gift or something like that. So this can be like varying from not only like educational institutions, it goes on till old age, or they encourage like low level work category. So many kind of areas this endowment funds are being utilized. Even for hospitals, in where the local areas, the hospital they won't be having more number of facilities. So whenever there are going to be patients who are like want to be like operated in big hospital, or for further treatment they don't have any kind of funds, this kind of NPOs, they try to generate money from the public like donors, or they're already existing donor, so they just get the fund and try to help them. But only the how they generate that income, based on that they will utilize it. So this is like major how this endowment is like working. So there are like different types of endowments. Soon we will come up with in detail on each and every type of endowment, and how it is like varying from one another. Hope to see you all soon on our next video, guys. If you find this one interesting, please do like it, share and subscribe. Also please do keep supporting us. Thanks for watching. It's a VK signing off. Bye bye.